Welcome to Golden Heart School of Nursing. Today I'll be presenting to you skill number 4. The title of the skill is Assist with Use of Bedpan. Here are my supplies. Regular bedpan, linen protector, 2 pairs of gloves, wipes, and toilet paper. I'm going to start with the skills now. Wash, knock, can I come in? My name is CNA Mario. Can I check your wristband? Mary Jones. You want to be called Mary or Mrs. Jones? Mrs. Jones. All right, Mrs. Jones, today I'll be assisting you with the use of bedpan. Before that, I'm going to go get my supplies. Here's your call light here. Your bed is locked here. Your rail is up. Wash my hands. Go get my supplies. I'm back, Mrs. Jones. I'm going to close the curtain for your privacy. I did close the door also for your additional privacy. I'm going to raise the bed at my working level. Then I'm going to lower the head so that I can place the bedpan correctly. I'm going to put on my first clean gloves. I'm going to flex your arm. I'm going to flex your legs. I'm going to slowly turn you to the side so I can place the linen protector and the bedpan. Got this one, Mrs. Jones. Expose that one. Here is your linen protector. And I'm going to place the bedpan correctly. Pointy to the toe, wider to the top. I'm going to turn you back to your normal position. Unflex your legs, unflex your arm. Close your Miss Jones. I'm going to take out my gloves. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to raise the head of the bed so that you can use the bedpan comfortably. Here we go, Mrs. Jones. Okay. All right. Let me hand you the toilet paper and your wipes. Clean yourself when you're done. Your call light is within your reach. Press it when you're done. I'm going to leave the room to give you privacy. I'm back, Mrs. Jones. I noticed that you clean your hands. Let me put on my clean gloves. I'm going to lower the head of the bed so that I can remove the bedpan slowly and easily. I'm going to flex your legs, flex your arm, turn you to the sides slowly. And I'm going to grab the bedpan together with the linen protector, not to spill any content. I'm going to unflex your arm, unflex your legs. I'm going to grab the toilet paper and wipes, dirty designated area. I'm going to dump the content to the toilet. I'm going to rinse it, put it dirty designated area. I'm going to take out my gloves without contaminating myself. I'm going to wash my hands. Miss Jones, you did complete using the bedpan. Let me just make sure that you're safe. Call light here within your reach. The bed is locked. The rail is up. The bed is locked here. The bed is in low, safe position. Your body is aligned. I'm going to keep your curtain closed. Here is your side table with your water pitcher and magazine. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna go report and record. Skills complete.